Here it is, guys. Alright guys, I ended up finishing it. Transfer case is back on, transfer case is filled. I ended up filling it from the fill hole, but I didn't end up, I waited to bolt it back up before I filled it. And everything else is done. Battery's back on, just missing intercooler piping, but let's see if it starts. Let's see how off this could be. Okay. Let's try that again. Well, it starts fine, so I know the starter's good. I think I'm going to put that intercooler piping on so I could get it to idle. I think that's why the idle's off. Let's get that on. Alright, intercooler piping's back on. Let's go start it. Sounds good when it starts. Oh, a little dark in here. Over here in the AFRs. Alright guys, it's ready to get dropped. It is 100% done. I did put the cross member on and that little plate that goes in the back passenger side. It's all installed. Everything's all together. I don't know if you guys can tell or hear. Whenever I'd let it go at the top of first gear, it would grind. So it does need some kind of adjustment. but it's all together. All I gotta do is put that pipe on, but I know we got to do some adjustments, so I'm just gonna leave that off for now. But RIP, old transmission. I will get this looked at, and hopefully it is just the forks, and I'll get billet forks for it and have a good spare transmission. Other than that, this guy is pretty much done. I gotta have a friend come over and help me, and maybe we'll do a video on how to adjust your cable or your clutch, however you want to call it. But like, subscribe, share, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys watched the whole video, I appreciate it. More to come. More to come. Import face-off is coming up as well. So, more content to come, guys.